Proper maintenance is key to getting the best use out of your heat pump. You can check with your contractor for maintenance packages, but if you're a DIYer like myself, here are a few tips to help so that you can do it on your own. To prevent mold growth in your unit, a great tip is to turn the fan setting on periodically, especially in our humid climate when we're running the dehumidification and the air conditioning on a regular basis. By running the fan, you'll get rid of any leftover moisture in your unit. Filters should be cleaned approximately every 3 months. But if you have pets or have recently done a renovation, your filters may need to be cleaned more often. To clean the filters in your heat pump, first make sure the unit is turned off. Next, gently pull up on the side and remove the plastic filters. Your heat pump has 2 plastic filters in them, and you just wash them with some warm water, get all the dust off, and then leave them to air dry. Once they're dry, you can put them back into place. Just slide them up and over and clip the filters back into their spot. Last, check your outdoor unit to ensure it is free of all debris, including snow, ice, and leaves. Thanks for watching my tips and tricks to keep your heat pump running effectively. For more information or to book your heat pump consultation with Presidential Ventilation, click on the link in the video description below.